7 ways to cleanse and detox your liver. Your liver is among the largest organs in your body, and it is constantly working. Well, this organ has countless jobs for filtering toxins to balancing macro as well as micronutrients, and if liver conditions go unnoticed, they can progress to liver failure. If you want to prevent liver disease, here are 7 ways to cleanse and detox your liver to keep it healthy. 1. Limit your alcohol consumption. Anything that you ingest is processed through your liver, and when you consume alcohol, your liver has to use more energy. The more you drink, the more strain is put onto the liver. Excessive drinking destroys liver cells, and you develop several liver conditions like alcoholic fatty liver disease, acute alcoholic hepatitis, and alcoholic cirrhosis. In addition, also don't mix alcohol with your medication. This puts even more strain on your liver. 2. Monitor your use of medications. All the medicines that we take pass through the liver and are broken down there. Most of the medicines are safe. However, take a heavy dosage of a drug too often, or taking the wrong medication, or taking too many simultaneously can harm your liver. Keep in mind not to exceed the maximum dose of 3000 mg per day. 3. Don't assume supplements are good for your liver. Some supplements that seem harmless, like vitamins, are capable of doing a lot of damage to your liver. There are many performance-enhancing and weight loss supplements that are harmful to the liver. Green tea extract is one neutral supplement that may affect the liver. In order to avoid any liver disease, you should consult your doctors before taking them. 4. Adopt a liver-friendly diet. One of the best things you can do is adopting a liver-friendly diet. A liver-friendly diet has foods such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean protein, dairy, healthy fat, grapefruit, blueberries, nuts, and fatty fish. All these foods are known to benefit the liver. Secondly, try getting an adequate amount of fiber. It is essential when it comes to helping your liver to run smoothly. Vegetables and fruits are the best sources of fiber to incorporate into your diet. Another thing you should do is make sure to drink the amount of water that is needed for you. Make sure to stay hydrated. Reduce the amount of food that is high in fat, sugar, and salt, as all these components in excess amounts affect the liver. Things like fries and oily burgers have these components in them. 5. Exercise regularly. Surprised? Well, you shouldn't be, since exercise does drastically reduce the chances of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, which is one of the most common liver diseases. Research has said that doing cardio exercises burns the fat that is already stored and prevents further fat buildup. You don't need to go and run marathons to detoxify your liver. You can start exercise simply by taking a small walk around your block, or take an online workout class, or go on a bike ride. 6. Take precautions against hepatitis. Hepatitis is a disease that results in liver inflammation. There are several types of hepatitis. While some of them are acute and short-term symptoms like hepatitis A, while some other hepatitis illnesses are long-term, like hepatitis B and C. In order to protect yourself against hepatitis, you need to stay clean, wash your hands regularly, use hand sanitizer, and practice good hygiene. Secondly, be extra careful when you're traveling. First, learn about the causes of hepatitis there. What are the causes and how it is spreading? Try to avoid unfiltered tap water or ice and unwashed fruits and vegetables. I think this goes without saying that while sharing is care, you need to be uncaring so you don't share your toothbrush or razor with anyone. IV drugs or needles before getting a tattoo, a piercing, or even just an injection. Make sure that the studio or the clinic is using sterilized needles or disposable needles. Try not to have more than one sex partner, as it will lower the risk of hepatitis B and C. Lastly, try to get vaccinated for hepatitis A and B so that you don't contract it. 7. Limit your contact with environmental toxins. At times, environmental toxins enter our bodies through our mouth, nose, and even skin. Some normal household products have toxins that can damage your liver, especially if you're coming in contact with it on a daily basis. To prevent this, you should use organic cleaning products and techniques. Try not to use pesticides or herbicides in your lawn. And if your work is such that you come in contact with chemical fumes, aerosols, and other toxins, then try wearing a mask and make sure that your workplace is ventilated. That's all for today's video, and thanks for watching it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care and stay tuned.